You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase once and for all correctly in British English and American English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, stay tuned. Sexual. Sexual. That's how you pronounce the first word. Sexual. Sexual. Desire. Or in American English, desire. So, US pronunciation, sexual desire. American English, sexual desire. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.